Large retailers with complex payment and data security needs rely on validated P2PE and tokenization to protect payments and personal information. Over time, it's common for business relationships and partnerships to change. However, moving to a new tokenization service can cause disruptions and may not mitigate vendor lock-in. Bluefin's Shield Connect's proxy service is a vaultless tokenization solution that gives merchants the freedom to switch or add new payment partners at will. It minimizes the PCI and PII footprint and avoids long-term payment processor lock-in. In fact, it works with all payment processors and any Bluefin P2PE device. Designed to deliver ultimate flexibility and scalability with real-time P2PE decryption of PCI cardholder data, generation of format-preserving tokens from EMV P2PE transactions, token sharing with partners and affiliates, and portability to switch between processors without rekeying terminals. This capability tokenizes and detokenizes data in real time, then forwards it to a processor for authorization, and provides secure proxy capabilities to any endpoint for card-present and card-not-present processing. This means merchants and their partners avoid storing PCI, PII, or PHI data on their networks or systems. Minimize your PCI footprint while avoiding long-term processor lock-in with Bluefin's Shield Connect's proxy service. Learn more. Contact us today.